Today's small business vlog behind the scenes. What I'm working on today for my AI business series is using a tool called Lovable. So I'm going to bring you behind the scenes with me so you can see what I'm doing. Lovable allows you to build websites. I've been working between Lovable and Gamma. Gamma is great for building landing pages, and I'll take you behind the scenes on that in another segment. It has the same functionality as Gamma in that you can voice prompt everything, no designing. But with Lovable, this is an actual website. So it's got a lot more SEO functionality. It has the full functions of a website. Gamma tends to be just a one screen landing page. Gamma is visually very beautiful, but from a functionality standpoint, I've decided to go with Lovable. Was a website and landing page builder that focuses on making things simple, fast, and visually polished without needing to code. It's similar to platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or Gamma, but it's designed to be lightweight and AI assisted. Okay, so it's for building websites. I just wanted to see if there was anything else. Core features, drag and drop. Marketing and business tools. You can have lead capture forms, collect email addresses, inquiries, or bookings directly on your site. Analytics, I did notice that so this is my website. I already have a domain, which is surestepbusiness.com. My business is SureStep, like take the sure step, not short. surestepbusiness.com. We are a business consultancy firm. We help people to value businesses, sell businesses. We help people with buying businesses, and we are now offering AI automation and integration services, AI consulting, and a new service, which is AI trained virtual assistants. So with that being said, I would need some of these things, right? SEO tools and analytics. I logged in this morning and I was able to see that we had 23 visitors, which is great because you don't get that data with Gamma. You can integrate your CRM, email marketing, or scheduling, depending on your plans. So I am on let's take a look and see what plan I'm on so you can know. These are, that was published. This is me here. What plan I'm on. That's weird. All right, never mind. Yeah, okay, perfect. I'm on the Pro version, and I'll tell you how much is the Pro plan. I pay the $20 a month. I did try the free plan and I found it to be very restrictive. So I think as I do these behind the scenes videos, I'm going to also tally up everything I'm spending on all the different platforms because I have found that the free version of things can be a little bit limiting. All right. So this is what we're doing. We are updating. So I have my header here, streamline your business with AI, hire AI trained assistants and create a more valuable business. We help you automate operations, train your team on AI tools, provide AI literate virtual assistants, and make your business less owner dependent so you can scale with confidence and maximize your exit value. Perfect. Okay, that's all good. But this needs to do something. Start your AI readiness review. Meet an AI trained assistant. So for now, okay. This button needs to connect to my calendar. You have my Calendly link and you should be inserting that here. Let's see if it does it. And as you can see over here, it's thinking. I guess where the learning curve is in this is really being able to articulate your thoughts. As we get more into prompting or what they call vibe coding, you're using your voice to get AI working for you. It's important that you become very concise in your instructions. I did give it the URL link previously, so this seems like it didn't save in its memory. So there we go. There's my calendar. I find the best way to make changes is to have the website open on the other screen. I can scroll side by side and I check the functionality live on the web. If there are things I want changed, I just can go back and forth between the screens. So you can't see the second screen over there. Okay. So now I'm going to refresh my main screen and see if it actually takes me somewhere, my actual website. Oh, wait, no, you have to publish the changes. And so you are able to build a website in Lovable like this just by voice prompting. And you can use their domain to publish it. Or if you have your own domain with GoDaddy, you can connect it. It was super easy. I just had to click custom domain down here and I was able to put my domain in right here. I helped it to log into GoDaddy just using my username and password and everything connected automatically. I remember back in the day when you had to have a developer or you had to reach out to GoDaddy support. I mean, there was so many people that you needed to do this type of work. Okay, let me see now if this is updated in real time. I'm just going to go to the website. Let's see, I'll refresh it. Yeah, it won't. I'll show you. So if I move this guy public. Okay, so here's what I did. This is the other screen that I have open. This is the actual live website. I went down here and it says start your AI readiness review. You can book a call with me. There I am. And then it keeps it open on the other tab, which is good. Okay, so now I'm going to test this one. I think this doesn't go anywhere. So we have to figure out what we're going to do with that button. So that's the live website. I'll move that. Then we come back over here. That's weird. Sorry. For the tab that says Meet an AI trained assistant, I would like instead for that to say learn more about AI trained virtual assistants. And then I want it to be a link to my email for now. I'll eventually get you more content for that when we have the profiles ready. But for now, I just want somebody to be able to send me an email and let me know if you need my email. I think I gave it to you already because it's in the website. It's Colette at surestepbusiness.com. Good old British accent always throws off everything when I say Sure Step. All right, here we are. We're at 11 minutes. I'll update the button with a new text link. Learn more about AI trained virtual assistants. Let's publish it, and then we'll go to the live site and make sure it works. All right, so that has been updated. Let's refresh the website. I'll bring back the live site for you. Learn more about AI trained virtual assistants, and let's see if it connects to my email. No. Okay, so it's changed the language in the text box, but we'll come back over. Okay, you didn't provide the email link. So you've changed the language in the box, but you need to provide a link to my email. Here's my email. So if you want to email me, that's my email. Let's see. So it's quick, right? To me, this is so much quicker than designing. It's amazing. All right, let's publish the change and go on the live site. Back on the live site. See what happens. See what happens over here on this. For some reason, when I go to the live site, it doesn't open up an email box. So what can we do? I basically want to have the ability for somebody to send us a message. Should they be doing this through the website, or can we link my email so that it opens up an email box? What do we do to fix this issue so that somebody can communicate via written message? Or should we put a bot in place? I'll bring you through a gamma walkthrough later. Okay. I can create a simple contact form on your website where visitors fill out their name, email, and message. This would need Lovable Cloud enabled to send the message to your email. Mail to link requires visitors to have an email app configured on their device. Many people on mobile or work computers don't have this set up, which is why it might not be working for everyone. I could add a chatbot that can answer questions and collect contact information. This would also need Lovable Cloud and AI features. Okay, yes, let's do the contact form. If you can set that up. And then in a later tutorial, I will set up the chatbot. I have a call tomorrow with, I forget the name of the company, but we're going to be talking about a AI receptionist. And I actually chatted with it the other day and it was pretty good. Okay, 20 seconds. I'll set the contact form up for you. This requires enabling Lovable Cloud. So it's saying here, complete backend and AI models out of the box, enable cloud. So I'm going to allow it. Not sure if it's going to bill me something else. Now we'll see. I'm going to scan over the web to see. So we have get more done. One assistant, no risk. I have a couple of other contact us boxes. I need to have them actually functioning because they're just there, but they don't do anything. Looking still. Okay, I'll have this wrapped up in the next couple of minutes. AI integration workshop, monthly networking. Okay, I'll look up on GPT for you. Can you tell us, well, we approved Lovable Cloud because Lovable is going to be making a contact us form on the website. Is there an extra charge for that? If you're already on the Pro plan, connecting your site to Lovable Cloud does not carry an extra charge. So if you're on the Pro for $25 a month, it doesn't charge you any extra. That connection is included as part of the feature. Things like a contact us form can be built onto the site without additional fees. The Pro plan covers forms, hosting, and publishing. Extra costs only come into play if you add custom integrations outside of Lovable's ecosystem, e.g. connecting the form to a premium third-party CRM. So I'm eventually going to connect it to Pipedrive. That's the CRM that I've decided to use to build this AI business or to make my business a complete digital business. I was using HubSpot, but I wanted to give Pipedrive a try for something clean. I think using tools that you're not familiar with makes it a little bit harder to learn, but I thought it would help me with the building process. No extra line items, so no extra fees. And this is still thinking over here. How long will it take? That's interesting. So you see this here. Usually, and I guess it's because this isn't an agent, it's actually building for us. When you use an AI agent, like ChatGPT has an agent, or there's a platform called Manus, MANUS. And when the agent is working, you can actually ask additional questions. To work. Okay. Enable cloud, complete backend and AI models, database storage, authenticating, backend logic, all ready to use. Add an LLM to your app, powerful AI tools with zero setup. What do you want? Free to start, pay as you scale, free usage included everywhere, pop up on page lands. Lovable has been thinking, I'm having trouble enabling Lovable Cloud right now. Let me offer you a simpler alternative that doesn't require backend setup. Option, I can create a contact form that collects the visitor's info, then opens their email client with all the pre-fills, no backend needed. Okay, so we're going to do option 1 because it's taking too long and I need to wrap up. Okay. A contact form dialog that opens the email client with pre-filled. The button now opens a dialog where the users can fill in their details, and then it opens their email client with pre-filled message. I'm going to go to the actual website and bring that over here for you so you can test it with me. Let's see. So we have start your AI readiness review, learn more. You know what? I did not publish it. Let's try that. Publish the changes. Updating. All right, let's just do a quick refresh. Look at that. Isn't that great? I'll test it to make sure it's working. That is fantastic. You get the general idea. We're at 25 minutes, so I'm going to stop now. But I just wanted to walk you through how you edit this whole website creation, which is pretty great. Before we log off, I'll show you the homepage. And this is the big difference between making a website on Lovable and Gamma. So when you make a website on Gamma, I'll walk you through doing something on there another time. You would have just one web page, like a landing page. I put in what I wanted. I gave my concept, my idea. I didn't really type too much text. I just shared my ideas like we're talking now. I have my homepage. I have my services. It's really great. I probably had to make about 5 revisions. I made maybe 3 yesterday, 3 or 4 yesterday. And then today I've logged on and looked at it again and, wanted to make some more changes. It has about me. It's my lovely picture. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and it has all my other links, which I have a link tree. 15 years plus business owner, accredited consultant and intermediary, CBBA board of directors, which is true. I think it scanned the internet and found this information, which is pretty great. International speaker, collective brokerage expert, and servant leader. Pretty great. That's it for this vlog behind the scenes train with me on Lovable.